If you can twist your hair, I promise you can do this. Every time I try to do that effortless bun, I either look like I just ran a marathon or like I gave up halfway through doing my hair. You're busy, I get it. This is a French pin. It's so chic, it's secure, and it actually makes me look like I have my life together. I don't. Today I'm gonna show you how to use it. Let's go. This style works best on second day hair or on hair that's been sprayed with a little texture spray for grip. Gather your hair into a low ponytail first with your hands. You don't need an elastic, and begin twisting upward against your head, just like you're starting a French twist. You can leave the ends of your hair out like this, or you can tuck them in. I'll show you both ways, but let's start with it out. Now, this is the part where everyone gets confused, myself included when I first got this. When your hair is twisted, there is the part that is more flat against the head and the part that has more volume from the twist. You actually want to approach your head from the part that has more volume. Something else to keep in mind is that the French pin is curved. It has a curved shape. You want to approach the head with the curve facing outwards, not towards your head. You then want to grab a section of the twist with the pin, rotate the pin, and then slide it into the hair so that the curve is now cupping the curve of your head. Don't worry about the hair that's fallen out here. My hair is really short, so it's bound to do that. I'm gonna fix that in a second. I'll show you how. But one thing to keep in mind that is really important is that you have to connect the twist to the base of the head. If your French pin is falling out, it's because you're not anchoring the twist into the base. Because my hair is short and not all of it reaches in the twist, I just used a bobby pin to secure those falling side pieces. Then you can finesse with the front, do whatever you want there. I like having some face framing down. I find it really flattering. If you have short hair like me and some of the nape hairs fall out, you can take those hairs, twist them, open a bobby pin, put the twist in the middle of the bobby pin, and then anchor the pin downwards into it. This technique of pushing down into those little hairs will hold them all day long. This is how the finished hair looks from all different angles. Once you master it, it's actually really secure, way more than you would think. If you've tried this and you find that your hair is falling out or you think your hair is too thick to be held with a French pin, it is absolutely because you are doing something wrong. And I know that because I was using it wrong for the longest time and I could never get it to work until I went deep down the rabbit hole of the French pin world and like really mastered it. So keep watching because I'm gonna show this technique again, but with a few different hairstyles. For this next one, I'm gonna do the exact same thing, but I'm just gonna tuck those ends down. I also wanna show you a little hack I do since I have short hair. And if you have short hair too, you may actually find it really helpful. Whenever you do an updo with a bob length, you will always end up with the hairs at the nape falling down. And that really gives away the fact that your hair is short. Now, one way to hide it is to actually put that section in a small ponytail at the nape of the neck and then drag the elastic as far to the end as you can. Then when you're doing your twist, just integrate it into the hair normally. When you get to those ends, if you don't want them sticking out, just keep twisting your hair and bend the twist over them. Again, we want to approach the hair from this side of the twist with the curve of the French pin facing outwards, grab the hair from the twist, rotate the pin, and then anchor it into the base. This is how it looks all finished. Let's move into some half up looks next. So start by taking a rounded section from the crown and use your fingers to gather and begin twisting it down. Once that twist feels secure, grab your small French pin and just like before, make sure the curve is facing away from your head as you approach the twist. Slide the pin through the twist, rotate it so the curve now hugs your scalp, and press it downward to anchor the twist into the base of the head. I got really inspired by this reel to create this look, and I think it is so pretty. I wear it all the time now. This style is great if you want something polished but soft. It lifts the crown, gives you that effortless, put together feel without a full-blown updo. This next look is just like the classic French twist we did earlier, but half up, and with the ends tucked in. So start by taking a section of the hair from the crown, just like you're doing a half up ponytail, and then start twisting that section upwards against your head, just like a mini French twist. Once you've twisted about halfway, Tuck the ends down into the twist so the shape stays clean and polished. Now grab that small French pin. Make sure the curve of the pin is facing out, away from your scalp. Slide the pin sideways through the twist to catch a section of that hair. Rotate the pin and then slide it inwards, anchoring it into the base of the head. This half up twist is perfect for short or medium length hair because it really lifts the crown, it hides any greasy roots, and it makes you look like you've actually tried, even if you didn't. Now I want to show you a slightly different look. You can absolutely use a French pin to secure a classic bun, but since my hair is short, I'm going to demo it as a half up version instead. Start by pulling the top half of your hair into a ponytail like you normally would. Then split that section into 2 pieces and twist them around each other to create a rope braid. Once you've got your rope braid, wrap it around itself to form a small bun. Now, just like with the twist styles, the key here is anchoring. Use your French pin to weave through the bun and into the base of your head. That's what keeps it secure and in place all day. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, then I know you'll love my 5-minute makeup routine, which is perfect to pair with any of these hairstyles. You can get ready in less than 10 minutes and look really, really pretty. I'll link it right here on the screen for you because this video's over.